Do you often feel worried? Then you probably also look worried. And when you look worried, weirdly enough, you feel worried. And what is worrying even? Where does it come from? According to Chinese medicine, worry is the organ of the stomach. And when we manipulate a few points in the face, actually, we can remove that worried face and therefore also remove the worries. And when we remove the worries, we'll feel amazing. My name is Anne, and for the past 10 years, I've been studying a lot of aspects of yoga and also the meridian system, the Chinese medicine, and the relationship between our emotions and the energy lines that run through the body. In this video, you will learn a few points in the face that you can do in the morning or through the day to get that worry from our face and to get those worries out of our life. So make sure you wash your hands before you do this. If you like to apply some oil, you can, but you just kind of want to have clean hands when touching the face. And then you're just going to start with a few breaths. So you can just sit wherever you are, close your eyes for a moment and just roll your shoulders a few times back and down. And you can envision maybe some light as you breathe in. Maybe even lift the corners of your mouth a bit up and just recognizing that as much as the mind communicates to our body, is actually our body that speaks way more to the mind. So if our body creates signs of relaxation, our mind will follow. So let's start actually here. We're going to place our fingers to the temple. I'm going to find that stomach meridian. So place your thumbs to the temple and place your other fingers here to the top of the head and just apply some pressure. So it's here, we are about this place, and we're just going to massage a bit with our fingers here on the hairline, just between, kind of in the middle, between the center of your brain or skull and the ears. And you're just massaging there a bit, just breathing in and out. And you kind of envisioning that every time you exhale, you just relax a bit more in the body and you're inviting space for you to be relaxed and for you to be present. And then you're going to place your index fingers here to the middle of your eyes and you're just gonna press there for a few breaths. So create some pressure, and again, as you exhale, envision yourself really sitting on the ground, feeling a bit more heavy, feeling that the jaw relaxes and unclenches. And then you're just going to go here to the top corner of your top lip and you're just going to make some pressure here. And you can even just like around your mouth, just pressing here. And then exercise I really love that is just supporting overall tension. It's just massaging here the jaw. So relaxing the jaw and just massaging here for a few breaths, and maybe using a simple affirmation such as I am relaxed, I got this. Breathing in, breathing out, releasing worry as you exhale out. And then you can release and just wash your hands well, as if you're washing your hands, but just rubbing them together. And then you can place your hands onto your eyes and your face. And just removing the worry, removing the frown, removing the tension of your face. You can even finish a few times with a few rubs over the forehead, relaxing the frontalis muscle, relaxing the forehead muscles. And then just like as if you are removing it, like you just pull it out, like away with the worry and inviting the peace. Then when you're ready, you can open the eyes and be ready, because if you feel different, the world feels different. So let's bring more peace and bring more grounding into our daily lives. Thank you for watching the video.